Hello, Flagler County. Bob Pickering here at the Emergency Operations Center with the latest Flagler weather update. Just a reminder, I'm not a meteorologist, so the weather information I present originates from the National Weather Service. So let's take a look what's going on out there. Nothing in the tropics, but locally we are going to have a few things going on. Cold front sliding off to the south of us on Wednesday as high pressure builds in. Another front coming in from the north. But as we get to Friday, things start to change. We have a front that will be stalling out to the south of us. Big high pressure system up here, and high pressure rotates like that, and the rotation of that high pressure is going to get kind of squeezed in behind that front. It's going to increase the winds and the weather conditions right along the beaches, right along the coast here in our part of Florida. And then on top of that, we have a low pressure system developing in the Gulf of Mexico. That'll be likely moving or trying to work our direction as we go towards the weekend. So the end result is things are going to become very unsettled as we go Thursday night through Saturday. Now at the beaches, conditions are going to get hazardous in the ocean with a high risk of dangerous rip currents Thursday night through Saturday. Minor nuisance flooding. It's really minor flooding possible near times of high tide. That's where you might see a little bit overwash on the beaches near high tide. In your intercoastal, might see a little bit higher than normal water there, but that's not really that big of a deal. However, along the beaches and also big open exposed areas, if you're along the intercoastal, along the beach, breezy to gusty winds can be expected Thursday night through Friday. So if you have any lightweight Christmas decorations, you might want to secure or tie those down before Thursday night. So other than that, though, the rest of Wednesday is looking pretty nice with cool conditions and thickening cloud, however, Thursday as we start Thanksgiving, but outbreaks of rain can be expected Thursday night or Thursday afternoon, then unsettled Friday through Saturday. Through the rest of Wednesday, settled and cooler. And then thickening cloud overnight, high temperature near 70 degrees this afternoon, lows in the mid-50s, warmer at the beaches. Then cloud thickens up on Thursday, Thanksgiving, with outbreaks of rain and showers expected, maybe some thunderstorms Thursday night into Friday. High temperatures near 70 degrees, outbreaks of showers and storms in the afternoon. Again, becoming breezy, perhaps windy right along the immediate beaches. Again, high near 70, low near 60 degrees. Thursday night, warmer at the beaches. Unsettled conditions stay with us through Saturday. Again, some heavy rainfalls possible. High temperatures near 70, lows near 60. Again, I also want to say there will be some breaks in the action too. This far out, it's still hard to pin down exactly how often it will rain and who will get the heaviest rain. Hard to pin that down, so just be aware of that. As we go through the rest of the weekend, still staying unsettled, but maybe warmer on Saturday. Highs in the 70s and near 80, lows in the 60s. Again, showers, rain, maybe some thunderstorms, but again, there'll be some dry intervals thrown in. Then mild and breezy with a risk of showers as we go through Sunday, Monday, maybe some thunderstorms perhaps Tuesday of next week. Temperatures approaching 80 degrees for highs, lows in the 60s. At the beaches, surf 2 to 3 feet. That surf will be increasing. Surf temperature 72 degrees. Moderate rip current risk that will be increasing to high Thursday. And matter of fact, there's a high risk of rip currents issued by the Weather Service Thursday through Saturday. UV index moderate to low. Traveling, remember, you can find out the weather where you're going by visiting weather.gov and click on the map to see where the weather is where you are going. So stay up to date on the weather over the weekend as things are changing, and things may change more as we go through Friday and Saturday. Go to flaglercounty.org, hover your mouse over webcams and weather. Get the latest from the National Weather Service. Sign up for Alert Flagler while you're there so you can get notified of any hazardous weather. If you have a weather radio, it's a great weather resource too, especially if you are a boater. It's a great way to get marine weather forecasts. Hurricanes.gov, you can see what's going on in the tropics. And for national weather, go to weather.gov. That's going to wrap things up for the Emergency Operations Center. Everyone enjoy their Thanksgiving.